The cell membrane is made of a phospholipid bilayer. This is our phospholipid bilayer. The pink represents the heads of the phospholipid and the white represents the tails. The pink is hydrophilic and the tails are hydrophobic. The blue dots are the cholesterol inside of the cell membrane. The cholesterol connects the phospholipids together and keeps them from drifting apart and from getting too close. This is our extracellular matrix, which is on the extracellular side of the cell. The matrix is a collection of extracellular molecules that provide structure and support to the cells that it surrounds. These are the fibers outside of the cell, and this is the cytoskeleton made up of microfilaments and microtubules within the cell.
These are our glycolipids. Glycolipids are fats that are attached to sugars on the outside. It is the attachment between the molecules. Glycolipids are fats that are attached to sugars and that are attached to the phospholipid. It is in charge of the signaling. This is our glycoprotein, which is made of proteins and carbohydrates. They act as ID tags so the cells can be recognized and not attacked by the immune system cells. They identify themselves in order to prevent immune attacks. The transport protein enable polar, ionic, and large substances to move through the cell membrane. There are two types of transport proteins, which are channel and carrier. Channel move polar molecules through the membrane, and carrier change the shape of their passengers to move them across the membrane. The chemical receptor protein signals across the membrane to cause cellular response. It binds the ligand and performs an action in response. It binds the ligands that cannot cross the membrane. This is our chemical receptor.
The attachment protein binds the ECM, which is the extracellular matrix of the cytoskeleton, and is called the integrins. These help to form a bridge between the cell surface and the cytoplasm. The junction protein, these are membrane proteins that form intercellular junctions that attach to cells near them. The enzymatic protein catalyze chemical reactions, group to carry out reactions so the substrate is converted into a product, then a reactant, and then the final product.